As always, this detailed review is brought to you by BrainyBuyer.com. Shop smarter, be a brainy buyer.
So I'm looking at these two propane grills, the Char-Broil Classic 2-burner and the Weber Spirit 2E-310. What do you think?
Interesting choices. The Char-Broil is definitely more compact, right? It's got that 280 square inches of cooking space.
Yeah, and it's lighter, only 37.5 pounds. Seems good for a smaller patio or balcony.
The Weber, on the other hand, is a beast at 109 pounds. But you get a whopping 529 square inches of cooking space. Definitely better for bigger cookouts.
True. The Char-Broil has that side burner, though. That's handy for sauces and stuff.
Good point, though the Weber has a fuel gauge, which is super useful. No more guessing if you're about to run out of propane mid-cook.
Fair enough. What about the burners?
The Weber has 3 main burners totaling 30,000 BTUs, while the Char-Broil has 2 main burners at 20,000 BTUs, plus the side burner at 8,000 BTUs. So Weber packs more heat overall, potentially faster preheating and better searing.
I see. The Char-Broil's grates are porcelain-coated wire, which they claim are easy to clean.
The Weber's got porcelain-enameled cast iron cooking grates. Cast iron retains heat better, which is great for even cooking and those nice grill marks.
Okay, Weber is sounding pretty good, but what about the price?
That's the kicker. The Char-Broil is significantly cheaper. I mean, really cheap. The Weber is a lot more expensive, though it is unavailable from Amazon right now.
So it's a trade-off between size, features, and price.
Exactly. If you're on a budget and just need a basic grill for small meals, the Char-Broil is a solid choice. But if you grill often, entertain, and want better performance and durability, the Weber is worth the investment, assuming you can find it at a decent price.
Makes sense. I guess it depends on how serious I am about grilling.
Precisely. Consider your grilling needs and budget, and you'll make the right choice.
Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.